Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS in a virtual machine environment. First I will create a new virtual machine in VMware Workstation. So I'll go to File and New Virtual Machine. I'll choose Custom and compatibility is default. I will install the operating system later, and then Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Next, then I will give a name. I will make a new folder and create the virtual machine in the new folder. So I selected the new folder. I'll use 2 processors. Next, 2 gig memory is okay. Next, the network card will be NAT, is fine. Next, create new virtual disk, and then maybe 30 gig hard drive, and I like to use single file for virtual disk. Next, and finish. So the virtual machine has been created. Now I'm going to install the operating system. So I'll go to settings and then mount the ISO image. I will select CD DVD and then use ISO and browse, and then navigate to my download folder and select Ubuntu 20. So press OK. Now I can start the machine. Click inside, press enter, and then I have to use the keyboard. Make sure you clicked inside the virtual machine area and then use the keyboard. So select language, press enter, and then here I have different options. By using up down arrow key, I'm navigating to install Ubuntu and then press enter. Okay, the language is English, and I will select continue. Next, keyboard English US, continue, and then I will do a normal installation. I will also download updates while installing Ubuntu. So go continue. And then select install now. Confirm by click on continue, and time zone Toronto, that's fine, so continue. Here I will create a new user, so I will type in my and give a name to the virtual machine, then username and password. Then I click on continue. So installation is complete. I'll restart the machine. I'll log in with the password. Then I will skip online account. Next. I will not turn this on and go next. And it's done. Now there are updates. I will install the updates now. Next, I'm gonna add a second network card so that I can have an internal network and a network that can connect to the internet. Currently I have one network card that connects to the internet and I can access the internet. That network card was set for in NAT mode, and I can access the internet from the virtual machine. So I will go to the virtual machine settings and then add and network adapter and finish. The second network adapter I will put in host only mode so that I can use a private network, and press OK. Next, I'm gonna set up static IP address for the second network card. So go to network settings at the top right corner and select the second network card and select wired settings, and then I will select the settings icon and then go to IPv4 address, set the IP method as manual, put the IP address 172.16.0.15, mask /24, so 255.255.255.0, and gateway would be 172.16.0.2, and then DNS will set up the DNS same as this machine's IP address because I want to install DNS in this machine. If you don't want to install DNS in this machine, then you don't need to set the DNS here. Okay, so I'll put the same IP with this machine and then apply, turn off the network card and put it back. Now I'll go to the terminal by right clicking on the desktop and select Open Terminal. Next I will check the IP address and I can see the first network card got this IP address from a DHCP server and it's in NAT mode, and the second network card I configured with the static IP. Next I'm gonna install VMware tools, so sudo apt desktop. So the VMware tools is already installed in the newest version, and that's why you saw the screen got the full screen in Ubuntu 20. In 18 you have to explicitly install VMware tools. I can install a few other necessary components such as vim editor, so I will use sudo apt install vim. Also, I can check for package list update. And also I can do some cleanup. That's pretty much it. I can check the status. And you can see the host name is this one, and the operating system is Ubuntu 20.04.2 LTS. And that's pretty much about the installation. I'm gonna shut down the machine. And that is the end of this video. I hope you found this video as helpful. If you would like to receive notifications on future videos, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and set up notifications by tapping on the bell. Thank you for watching.